Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about the Sandbox and will give you support resistance level, patterns and all sort of technical stuff that you have been looking for. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button for me, subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Alright, let's start this by looking at the daily chart here. As you guys can see, this Sandbox and whole crypto market is kind of crashing today, and because of the Bitcoin, this Sandbox is also crashing. And right now we are kind of taking a bounce from this support level. As you can see, let me go to the 4-hour chart to make it clear for you guys. And as you can see, this is a head and shoulder reversal structure, as I was screaming you all the way here that this is the head and shoulder structure. And we were also watching this neckline of this head and shoulder right here, and right after that neckline broke to the downside, and right after that price is declining, and the target for this head and shoulder was at around $4. As you can see, let me pull up the target like this. This was the measurement from high to the neckline, and we projected outward like this at the point of breakout, and we got the $4 target. So right now price is at trading at around 4.90 cents, and we find a little bit of support here at around $4 $5 region, 4.90 and $5 region. As you can see, this was a huge support back then, and right now it is forming a base here as well. But I am still bearish for the time being unless we hit the target of around $4 range. And to be honest, right now the price can go up from here as well. If you want to achieve the bullish sentiment in this Sandbox pair, then we need to trade above this level, like $5.7 level on the 4-hour chart, and that would put us into the bullish trend on this 4-hour time frame. Otherwise, if the price stays below this $5.70 range, then we'll most likely range here, and then we'll go to the target at around $4 level. So if you guys want to take a short entry on the Sandbox, you can do that and make money by signing up in the BYBIT account, and you can use my affiliate link. You can find the link in the description and in the pinned comment, where you can claim up to $4.5 thousand bonuses. So if you guys want to short and long this Sandbox and all other crypto, then you can use the BYBIT link. Basically, you would need to deposit money there, start to trade and claim $4.5 thousand bonuses. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.